Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on repeating decimals worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice converting particular fractions to a decimal, and in these examples the decimals turn out to be recurring or repeating decimals. Now if you need more information on this topic or you're not sure what to do, on the next slide you'll be directed to click on a link that will take you to the lesson on this very topic, and it will explain how to do all the examples. So what are we required to do? Well, number one, we're going to change 2 over 3 to a recurring or repeating decimal. Now we saw in earlier videos the way we do this, we divide 3 into 2. So for example, we take the 3 and we divide that into, this is all in the lesson, 2 point, and you put down as many zeros as you want. It doesn't matter how many zeros you put down, and if you don't have enough, just keep putting them down. So you divide 3 into 2.00, etc. You'll end up with an answer. So basically your decimal point is here. You'll end up with an answer, and you'll notice that there's some repetition occurring. And that's where we see that the decimal that we arrive at will be a recurring or repeating decimal. So you do exactly the same, for example, for those 5. And for the examples here, it's the same type of thing. Now, I will give you a hint that something here occurs that's a little bit different, for example, from those ones. Over here, sometimes you get a recurring or repeating decimal where 2 digits repeat themselves. And if you don't know what that means, just click on the link on the next slide and you'll see what I mean. So don't be worried if you end up with a few digits repeating themselves. You will still see a pattern. And as we work through the examples, you will see exactly what I mean. It doesn't have to be a single digit that's repeating. It could be 2 or more digits that repeat. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice converting particular fractions to recurring or repeating decimals. And if you need more information on this or to see how it's done, on the next slide you'll be directed to click on a link, and that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.